Hi everyone, it's Joan. This week I want to focus on the things that you can pick up from partners' leads and what may be a good lead and what may be a disaster. Often when you make a lead, you're never too sure if it's going to be great or not, and people stick to sensible leads, and sometimes you can get it right and sometimes you can get it wrong. So let's look at this hand, and we've got nothing, so pass. And the opponents have got a spade fit. Partners on lead. Now, what can we make of their lead? They will have the 10 and probably the 9. So I'd say their diamonds are Jack 10, 9 and another. And we've got Ace 7, 5, 2. So declarer covers the Jack with the King, which makes sense. We win the Ace. They've got to make 10 tricks in spades. Return a diamond, even though the Queen's going to win. So partner confirms that they had Jack 10, 9 and probably another diamond, because they played the 9 and it forced the Queen. So now declarer is drawing trumps. And the trumps were 2-2. They've got all the trumps out. Now they're going for hearts. We will come in with a heart trick, which is rather nice. We'll win the Queen. This is the last heart. Of course, we wouldn't play that. That would be dangerous. It might be okay to play a diamond, but it might end play partner later. I think we'd be better to play a club through what we hope. We hope declarer's got a losing club or two. So let's play the 9. The 9 would say to partner, we don't have anything much in clubs. They win the Queen, and now they're sensibly playing the 10 of diamonds and declarer trumps. Now declarer's doing their best job to make our partner discard badly. They're playing off their trumps. Doesn't really matter what we play. See, they're playing their last trump now, and partner discarded a diamond. And correctly, partner has held on to the King of Clubs, and we have beaten the contract. That was quite a hard contract to beat. And the point is they led the Jack of Diamonds. That's a much safer lead than the King of Clubs. Sometimes people, when they've got King, Queen, they'll always lead the King. It's the same as when they've got Ace, King, they'll lead the Ace. That is more likely to take 2 tricks than hoping that the King, Queen will be a success. So when you've got a choice of this Jack, 10, 9 and another, by leading this, you're not giving away anything. But by leading the King from King, Queen, and not, say, King, Queen, Jack, that would be safe. But just the King, Queen could be dangerous. On this hand, if partner had led a club and not a diamond, and they'd led the King, declarer would have made without any trouble at all. It would have gone around to declarer's Ace, and then they would have drawn trumps, and then later they would have given our partner North the Queen of Clubs, but that would promote the Jack in their hand. So they would lose 1 club only because we led the honour, the King. They would lose 1 diamond, the Ace. They would lose 1 heart, our Queen, and no spades. So sometimes it makes a huge difference which card you choose to lead. And although the King, Queen can look like a great lead, I think when you've got a choice of Jack, 10, 9 and another, that's a much safer lead. Have a great week, everyone.